Bullish torrential slide cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $77.29 and $145.98 by 2030. Market experts accept Avax could reach $60.11 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2023 is $13.74. Torrential slide presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of a handful of the blockchain stages that considers genuinely decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a feasible contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 Ph.D. moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends on research led by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma. The issue of how to at the same time accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for disseminated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals looks to expel Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for brilliant agreements, while keeping up with versatility. It means to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential slide major examination. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance and installments. Its principal point is to make these exchanges safer, productive, and available to everybody. The torrential slide network is based on 3 support points: security, solidness, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advances, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up until this point, the stage has been extremely effective in drawing in clients and designers. Truth be told, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its shrewd agreement. There are a few justifications for why torrential slide could be a wise venture. First, the group behind the venture is exceptionally capable and has areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually advancing and adding new highlights that make it more appealing to clients. Third, torrential slide areas of strength for has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and reliability. The torrential slide network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the unified Byzantine understanding. FBA is a sort of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like evidence of work and confirmation of stake. Torrential slide likewise has an extraordinary component called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can modify its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes torrential slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the guidelines of the whole organization. Torrential slide current cost. Torrential slide is as of now worth $17.17 USD. Avax has moved 1.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $159,844,193. Torrential slide is as of now position 16 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,561,619,108 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for torrential slide to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous torrential slide market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. Torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Avax cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $25.76. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $24.04 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $20.61. Torrential slide value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Torrential slide Avax cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a VAX will before long outperform $42.94. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the AVAX's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, AVAX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $34.35 and a typical exchanging cost of $37.78. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $60.11 and AVAX might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. AVAX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $54.96 and a low of $51.52 in 2025. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. On the off chance that torrential slide effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the AVAX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AVAX will be green in 2026. The AVAX is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $77.29, with a base cost of $68.70 and a typical cost of $72.13. Torrential slide value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the AVAX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $89.31 by 2027, with a base cost of $85.87 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, AVAX has a greatest value worth of $94.46. Torrential slide value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $106.48. On the off chance that a VAX figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $111.63. Neglecting to assemble the help AVAX needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $103.05. Torrential slide value expectation 2029. While AVAX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $120.22 and a yearly cost close above $128.81 in 2029. Torrential slide value expectation 2030. By 2030, torrential slide will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $137.40 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $145.98, averaging out at $140.83. Torrential slide value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the